Savor the world. Embark on a culinary adventure with river cruises focused on food and culture. Food and culture. Hey there, foodies. Are you looking for a unique and delicious way to explore the world's most stunning waterways? Look no further than River Cruise. These cruises offer a fantastic culinary experience that allows you to take these flavors of each region you visit. And the best part, you'll have a variety of activities to choose from both on and off ship. First off, let's talk about the onboard culinary experience. River cruises offer plenty of cooking classes, demonstrations, and tastings. You can learn how to make traditional dishes such as paella in Spain or strudel in Austria, or participate in wine and beer tastings while enjoying the stunning views of the river. Imagine savoring an authentic Italian pizza while cruising down the Venice Lagoon. When it comes to culinary immersion experiences, river cruises take the cake. Each destination has its own unique cuisine, and river cruises offer plenty of opportunities to experience them. In France's Burgundy region, you can visit local sample markets, sample regional cheeses, and take a cooking class to learn how to make coq au vin. In Vietnam, you can taste street food in Ho Chi Minh City, sample a local beer, and learn how to make traditional po. Finally, let's talk about excursions. River cruises offer a wide range of excursions, from guided walking tours of charming villages to cycling along scenic routes. Whether you're interested in history, art, food, or nature, there's an excursion for you. In Portugal's Douro Valley, you can visit a traditional port winery, taste the local olives, and take a cooking class to learn how to make bacalhau. In Germany, you can sample local beers and sausages in Bavaria, or taste the local wine in the Mosella Valley. How do you choose the best activities for you? It's simple. Consider your culinary interests and preferences. Are you a wine lover? Then look for cruises that offer visits to local wineries or vineyards. Are you a foodie? Look for cruises that offer cooking classes or visits to local markets. Do you want to sample a variety of local cuisines? Look for cruises that offer tastes of food and focused excursions. And by choosing these activities aligned with your culinary interests, you'll have a more enjoyable and fulfilling experience. Longer to experience the wonders of a river cruise. Visit our website today to start planning your ultimate adventure. With a variety of destinations, onboard activities, cultural immersion experiences, and excursions to choose from, there's something for every traveler. Book now and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime.